Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius tutorial. So today we are going to discuss few more questions in next practice session for Pgdba 2020. And before going to start the session, do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed it yet. And yes, we are going to start a crash course for Pgdba 2020, and details for that crash course is given in the description below. So if you want to join that crash course, you can get those details in description below. And anyway, let's start with today's practice session. So this is first question. And this question it is given that f is a function from R to R and there is a differentiable function such that f of 0 is given and f dash 0 is given. We have to find value of this limit x approaches to 0. Okay. Let's do one thing. Put L is equal to limit x approaches to 0 1 by x into f of x by n. Okay, and we can write it as limit x approaches to 0 f of x by n minus f of 0 upon x minus 0. Okay, this is one and the same thing because f of 0 is given as 0. Okay, now if I substitute x by n as, say, let us write it as k, then it will be limit k approaches to 0 and it will be f of k minus f of 0 upon if x by n is k. This will be n. Okay, we can take n common out of it, 1 by n, and it will be k minus 0. Okay, this is nothing but 1 by n of f dash 0, and f dash 0 is given to us as 1. So it will be 1 by n. That means value of L will be 1 by n. So we have to calculate its value. So it would be summation of n goes from 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n 1 by n. This is nothing but minus log. So B should be correct answer to this question. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to next question. Next question is we have to find the largest term in expansion of in this expressions 1 by 201, 4 by 208, 9 by 227, 16 by 264 and so on. Okay, so if you observe that numerator is a perfect square, so we can write general term an will be let us say n square by n cube plus 200. Okay, or you can say that function is fx is x square upon x cube plus 200. Okay, this is fx and we need to find largest term in its expansion. So let us find f dash x. If I differentiate this, we have to use quotient rule. Then keeping it as it is, derivative of x square will be 2x minus x square as it is, and its derivative will be 3x square. So it will be x into 400 minus x cube divided by x cube plus 200 square. This is f dash x. Now one thing is clear that this function fx is increasing. When this is increasing, when x lies between 0 and 400 to the power 1 by 3, and this will be decreasing when x is greater than 400 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, so 400 to the power 1 by 3 से छोटा होना चाहिए x, so it would be 343 7 cube. Okay, so we can say that largest term will be 7th term. Okay, that means if I need to calculate 7th term, substitute it here in this expression, it would be 49 upon 543. This will be the largest term. So answer to this question should be B answer. Okay. Move on to next question. Next question is we have to find the number of real roots for this trigonometric equation sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 7x equal to 1. Okay. So we know that sine to the power 4x, this will always be less than or equal to sine square x. Okay. Because sin x will always be lie between -1 and 1. So sine to the power 4x will be less than or equal to sine square x. Okay, this is clear. Same way we can say that cos to the power 7x, this is less than or equal to cos square x. Okay. Let us say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now just add these two equations. It will be cos to the power 7x plus sine to the power 4x. This will be less than or equal to sin square x plus cos square x. This is 1. So we can say that cos to the power 7x plus sine to the power 4x. This is equal to 1. We know this because this is given, and also this is less than 1 from this. From this result, this is less than equal to 1, and from this is equal to 1. That means these two conditions hold only when cos square x is equal to cos to the power 7x and sin square x is equal to sin to the power 4x. That means these two terms should be equal. No? Only then this is possible. And this is possible only when x is equal to minus pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2 and 0. So these three are possible values where this equality holds. So we can say correct answer to this question is 3. So we are getting 3 number of real roots for this equation. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the session. We will come up with more sessions in our coming classes. Thank you so much.